Our money expert Kurtis Pearson is here this morning.
Yes, and now that the election results have come in, what impact do you think we'll see on our bank accounts?
Well, it's kind of hard to determine how much of that rally yesterday was actually because of the election results. There were also many corporations reporting earnings, which boosted the market somewhat yesterday. But there is a sense that the whole quagmire in Washington will continue, the gridlock now will continue, and the market is kind of interpreting that as positive news, so that one party doesn't have all the control and can, ramrod some of their policies and their ideas through. So that's perhaps the positive spin. Of course, we have to wait and see after the rhetoric mode winds down what the actual action will be, and there's some definite hot buttons that I want people to keep their eyes on moving forward.
Well, it's only been one day, but how is the stock market really kind of interpreting those results?
Well, they're taking a look at some of those key issues like the health care issue, like the corporate tax. That's a big one because we continue to see U.S. corporations taking a look at moving overseas, and our corporate tax structure probably does need to be revamped. But now with two parties in power, it's going to maybe be difficult over the next 2 years to actually get resolution on some of those matters, and that presents a degree of predictability that the stock market likes. The stock market says, hey, at least if we know what the landscape is going to be like, we can make some good projections and kind of know how to act.
And really quick, any impact on interest rates?
Yeah, that's another big one because employment and the unemployment numbers and jobs and job creation were a feature of some of the campaigns, and of course that's what the Fed is really looking at. If those unemployment numbers continue to drop like they have been, the sense is the economy is getting back on its feet, and you could begin to see an uptick in interest rates. So there's a lot of moving parts here, and it's very important for people to keep on top of their investment portfolios and keep monitoring how it impacts their direct net worth, because there could be some surprises in the next 3 to 6 months for sure.
Keep a close eye on it.
Yeah.
All right. Kurtis Pearson, great tips as always, and if you have any questions you'd like Kurt to answer, you can contact him at Compass Financial. That number is 327-1020.